decided to press the same button. So now I'm making a cake that can kill God. Large amounts of bowl. 3 eggs. Now don't throw these, or else there's a small chance that 4 chickens might pop out of this. I really do not mind having my soul taken. I do mind having my soul taken, actually. I prefer to keep my soul. I shall dub thee the stir stick. This one's double-sided. Look at how cool this is. No, don't run the scissors, except when you do. Every single good thing is in powdered form. There has not been a single bad thing that is a powder. Okay, there was one bad thing. Water was actually never used in the 1600s. Instead, they would just use mass amounts of alcohol. So now we're going to take a little stirry boy, and we're just going to stir. Where are they? Who moved them? Who moved my children? Bam! Somebody moved my M&Ms, and now I'm going to start killing. We have not 1, not 2, not 3. We have 3. I honestly do not know what this is, so there it goes. Have you ever thought that God stays in heaven because he too is afraid of what he has created? Here's me going really fast. It is half frosting, half cake, and full abomination. Poo. That says poo. You can't see the part of the G.